Careful ha. Oh, nakabili kang tinapay?
No, I only buy food chips.
Puro candy naman yan, day.
Yeah.
Nandahan.
Yung pa rin, nakita kong shy plant.
You see the shy plant? You saw the shy plant?
Yeah, let's go talk.
Ha?
Talk to Meg.
Talk to me.
Meg. I just ate food chip.
What did you eat?
Food chip, malaking food chip.
Aga-aga ni, nalanggamin yun, no? Tinagay mo lang doon sa upuan, no?
Wait, guys. Come on, let's go talk to Meg and the kids.
You're going to feed din. Ha? Yung pagkain nila eh. Tara na.
Come on, guys.
Kakapain ko na. Kasi sa mga alaga niya daw.
Duyan ngayon.
Wala pang duyan nga. Did they eat their food? Kanin. Ayaw nila ata kanin. Ayaw kanin, no? Hindi nila ginarabi, oh. Wow, wala silang kids.
Wow, wala silang kids. Maybe they're all boys.
Huh?
Maybe they're all boys.
Boys and girls yan. Yes, may clothes mo. Tataas mo yan, oh. Kita yung susok mo. Laya. Kay Migs. I-ask Migs kung kumain na siya.
Kumain ka rin, Migs.
Galit siya. Huwag mo na siya kausapin. Oh, ka dito. Ka dito kay Migs. Oh,
Migs, nakain ka na.
Main ka na daw, Migs. Kasapin mo si Migs, oh.
He's so cute, why so fat?
What?
He's so cute, but he's so fat at the same time.
Oh, mas maganda pag fat siya kaysa payat. Di pa nga siya kumain eh, kaya oh. Galit siya. Galit si Megs. Di pa kumain. Galit. Kasi you didn't give Megs food daw.
Sana pagkain nila.
Bakit?
Maybe they go with that.
Ha?
Kain.
Hindi mo pagkain? Kaman na bigay pagkain sa kanila, day.
When they're a baby, they're so cute. And Toothless and Migs, they were playing together, but he's in heaven.
He's in heaven.
Toothless.
Why he's in heaven?
Nagasasaan.
What?
Nagasasaan.
Nasagasaan.
Yeah.
And then he got? Huh?
He turned into dust.
Dust.
Yeah.
He killed first. He died first, di ba?
Yeah, and also my baby cat that my brother surprised me also died.
Why?
I don't know. Because